There you go. How was that? How was it? Good? If you got my shovel and took off these high spots, it would be less bumpy. I gotta go check something inside and then I'll grab the shovel. Yesterday we had probably 10 to 12 inches heavy snow. I basically just inched it, made a trail all the way up this hill here. It took me probably 5 tries to get up over here, just kind of going back and forth just very slowly. And I got to the top and then I cut like 4 inches off the top with the blade and made this path, a sledding path going down. And then I drove up and down it a bunch of times yesterday and back dragged it and made a nice compact sledding hill for the kids. And today we have probably 8 inches on top of that right now. And I just did the same thing. I want to make sure I keep this path open so I can get out here to groom this sledding hill, because this is perfect. It's kind of lame if you don't, you know, it's not much of a hill, but where I groom it, it's pretty fun. But yeah, this was supposed to be what, a 4 or 5 inch storm, and it's turned into, we've got about 8 inches now. We'll probably get 3 or 4 more inches before it's over. And you know, the Snow Panda is just doing work, just putting in work. I've already plowed the driveway. I plowed out the end of the road. By the time I got that, I was going to try to plow the road, but luckily the guy came down in the truck, even though she probably would have done it over some time. Sometimes I got to take 6-inch cuts and take the top off and then go over it again to get it down to the road. But she does pretty darn good, you know, and it just sounds good doing it. We'll go slow, that way we don't get off the trail. I was going up over in that spot. I mean, that's a pretty decent little hill, but not until it settles down again, I get it packed down, will I be able to go up that way. I kind of want to take this plow off and actually go play around and see what it actually can do, but it does good without it, or with it on, so I can just speculate, you know. If I can get the snow cleaned up by tomorrow, we may load it up, take it out on Norton's Pond. They're having a fishing derby. I don't know how much fishing I'll do, but I could tote things around with it, plow off spots. But yeah, nice little sledding hill there. Oh no. Better put it in low range. Got a little bit off track. That's okay. Before I get into the throttle, just put it in low range. There we go. There. There's Jason, my mower. Look, Larkin's watching. He's like, what the heck is that guy doing? This can be a little tricky, because if you get off track out here, it's harder to, because it's on a side, like an incline. You just gotta make sure you keep it in the tracks. I'm running out of places to put the snow. That's the biggest issue I'm running into. I was pushing it right back with this thing, you know, right to the gullies, but you know, after 7 or 8, you know, pretty good storms, I mean, it's building up pretty good. If I got to, my landlord's got a tractor. I was actually thinking about asking if he could either drive it down, or I could drive it down, or he could drop it off or something, and I'll just push the banks back. Oh, choke was on a little bit. There we go. I like it. I'm hoping to actually get out with some guys this summer and actually do a little mud mowing with it. Go for a trail ride. I think it would be fun. But it gets the job done. I think that belt is getting towards the end of its life. What a storm. I gotta go in and warm up, and then I gotta go do some snow blowing up the road a little ways.